What's the secret to perfection? For Chips Ahoy, it's 24, yes, exactly 24 chocolate chips in every cookie. But have you ever wondered how they keep every batch consistent, or how they ensure each cookie tastes like the last? From sourcing premium cocoa beans to baking thousands of cookies an hour, we're pulling back the curtain on one of the world's most loved snacks. Stay tuned to find out how this classic cookie continues to dominate shelves after 6 decades. Chips Ahoy made its debut in 1963, marking a significant milestone in the evolution of store-bought cookies. At the time, the idea of mass-produced cookies that could rival homemade ones was revolutionary. Nabisco, the brand behind Chips Ahoy, leaned into this challenge, aiming to create a cookie that would combine the convenience of packaged goods with the nostalgic taste of freshly baked treats. The name Chips Ahoy was inspired by the nautical term ship ahoy, giving the brand a playful, adventurous vibe. While the name's exact origins remain unclear, its charm and catchiness quickly resonated with consumers. Over the decades, Chips Ahoy evolved into more than just a cookie. It became a cultural icon, beloved by families and snack enthusiasts alike. Chips Ahoy's initial marketing positioned it as a cookie that tasted just like homemade. This sentiment struck a chord with busy households looking for quick, delicious options. As demand grew, Nabisco continually refined its recipe and production processes to ensure every cookie maintained the brand's signature flavor and texture. Within its first year, Chips Ahoy became one of the best-selling cookies in the United States. Today, it generates over $1 billion annually in sales and remains one of Mondelez International's most successful brands. To craft the perfect cookie, every ingredient must meet strict quality standards. Chips Ahoy's recipe relies on a balance of essential components, each contributing to the cookie's unique taste, texture, and appeal. Before we dive deeper into the fascinating world of Chips Ahoy cookies and uncover more about their history and production secrets, I have a small favor to ask. I'm working hard to reach 1,000 subscribers, and your support would mean the world to me. If you enjoy this content, please consider hitting that subscribe button to help me reach my goal. Thank you so much. And now, let's get back to the delicious details. Flour, the base of every Chips Ahoy cookie, is unbleached enriched flour. This type of flour is prized for its natural aging process, which enhances its density and strength, qualities essential for a cookie that holds its shape during baking. The flour is enriched with vitamins like niacin and folic acid, making it not only functional, but also nutritionally fortified. Unbleached flour's denser texture is ideal for baked goods, creating a cookie that's soft in the middle yet firm around the edges. Its slightly off-white color also adds a touch of rustic authenticity to the final product. Have you ever considered how the type of flour affects the texture of your favorite cookies? For Chips Ahoy, unbleached flour is the secret to that perfect balance of soft and crisp. Sugars, the sweet duo. Chips Ahoy uses a combination of white granulated sugar and brown sugar. Each plays a critical role in achieving the cookie's signature texture. White sugar adds sweetness and promotes crispiness. Brown sugar introduces moisture, enhances chewiness, and contributes to the deep golden hue of the cookies. Both sugars are refined to remove impurities, ensuring consistency in flavor and quality across every batch. Butter and vegetable oils. Butter is the ingredient that gives Chips Ahoy its rich, indulgent flavor. For some variations, vegetable oils are used to extend shelf life while preserving taste and texture. Delivered to the factory in large blocks, the butter is carefully softened before being incorporated into the dough. Eggs? Eggs are crucial for binding the ingredients together and giving the cookies their tender texture. At Chips Ahoy's production facilities, eggs are sourced from farms that prioritize safety and quality. Each batch undergoes pasteurization to eliminate bacteria, ensuring they meet the highest food safety standards. Chocolate chips, the star ingredient. The heart of every Chips Ahoy cookie is its semi-sweet chocolate chips. These morsels are crafted from cocoa beans sourced from tropical regions like West Africa and South America. The beans are fermented, roasted, and processed into chocolate chips designed to hold their shape during baking while melting, just enough to create gooey bursts of chocolate. Did you know that Chips Ahoy cookies are meticulously crafted to include an average of 24 chocolate chips per cookie? This attention to detail ensures every bite is packed with chocolatey goodness. Once the raw ingredients are prepared, the production process moves to the dough preparation stage. This step takes place in massive industrial mixers, capable of handling hundreds of kilograms of dough in a single batch. The process is both art and science, requiring precise timing and ratios to achieve the perfect consistency. Creaming butter and sugars. The process begins with creaming the butter, or vegetable oil, with white and brown sugars. This step is essential for creating a light, fluffy base that incorporates air into the dough, contributing to the cookie's airy texture. Adding eggs and vanilla one by one. Eggs and vanilla extract are added to the mixture. The vanilla extract, sourced from Madagascar beans, enhances the cookie's flavor profile with a hint of aromatic sweetness. Incorporating dry ingredients. Flour and baking soda are gradually introduced to the mixture. Baking soda acts as a leavening agent, helping the cookies rise slightly during baking. Care is taken to avoid overmixing, which could result in tough cookies. Folding in chocolate chips. The final step is folding in the chocolate chips. This is done gently to ensure even distribution without breaking the chips. This step is crucial for maintaining the balance of flavors and textures in every cookie. After the dough is prepared, it's time to shape the cookies. In a high-tech factory setting, this step is carried out with remarkable precision. Advanced machinery. Specialized machines portion the dough into uniform pieces, ensuring each cookie is the same size and weight. Dropping the dough. The dough is dropped onto large baking trays, with enough space between each piece to allow for even spreading during baking. Consistency. Uniformity is critical, not just for visual appeal, but also for achieving consistent baking results. Have you ever noticed how perfectly round Chips Ahoy cookies are? This precision is achieved through state-of-the-art machinery that operates with millimeter accuracy. Once the cookies are portioned, they are ready for the next transformative step, baking. In a state-of-the-art facility, Chips Ahoy, cookies are baked in large industrial ovens designed to handle thousands of cookies at a time. This stage is where science meets art, as precise temperature control and timing are critical to achieving the ideal balance of textures. The baking trays loaded with cookie dough are placed on conveyor belts that steadily move them into the ovens. These conveyors ensure that the cookies travel through the oven at a consistent speed, allowing for even baking across every batch. The ovens are divided into zones, each with its own carefully calibrated temperature. The cookies begin baking in a slightly cooler section, allowing the dough to spread evenly, and then move into hotter zones where the edges crisp up while the centers remain soft and chewy. The temperature typically reaches around 175 °C, 347 °C, with baking times ranging from 10 to 12 minutes, depending on the cookie size. As the cookies bake, the semi-sweet chocolate chips melt slightly, creating gooey pockets of chocolate within the cookie. This balance of melting without fully liquefying the chips is achieved through precise ingredient engineering and oven calibration. The ovens are equipped with sensors to monitor heat distribution and ensure that every cookie is baked to perfection. Any deviation in temperature or timing could compromise the cookie's signature taste and texture. After baking, the cookies must cool down before they can be handled or packaged. This stage is critical for setting the cookie's structure and preventing them from becoming soggy or fragile. The cookies are transferred onto cooling racks via conveyor belts. These racks allow air to circulate around the cookies, helping them cool evenly and quickly. Temperature regulation. The cooling area is maintained at a controlled temperature to prevent any drastic changes that could affect the cookie's texture. This step is particularly important for maintaining the structural integrity of the chocolate chips, ensuring they remain gooey without melting completely. Visual appeal. As the cookies cool, their golden brown color deepens slightly, giving them the visually appealing appearance that has become a hallmark of Chips Ahoy. Did you know that Chips Ahoy Cookies are tested to ensure they maintain their crunch even after cooling. This attention to detail is why they stay fresh and crispy for weeks. Before Chips Ahoy cookies can move to the packaging stage, they undergo rigorous quality control checks. This step is essential to maintaining the brand's reputation for consistency and excellence. Automated inspections. Advanced imaging systems scan each cookie for defects such as uneven baking, broken edges, or misshapen forms. These machines are capable of identifying imperfections with remarkable accuracy, ensuring only the best cookies make it to store shelves. Human oversight. While technology plays a significant role, human inspectors are also part of the process. They perform visual checks and sample cookies to assess flavor, texture, and overall quality. Taste testing. Quality control teams taste test samples from each batch to ensure the cookies meet the brand's flavor standards. This step involves evaluating the balance of sweetness, the texture of the chocolate chips, and the consistency of the dough. Rejects and recycling cookies that don't meet the standards are removed from the production line. In many cases, these cookies are repurposed into other products, minimizing waste and promoting sustainability. Have you ever wondered how your favorite snacks achieve the same taste and texture every time? For Chips Ahoy, it's a combination of advanced technology and human expertise. Packaging plays a dual role in the Chips Ahoy production process, protecting the cookies during transport and ensuring they stay fresh for as long as possible. This step is as meticulously designed as the baking process itself. Trays and sleeves. The cookies are carefully placed into trays or sleeves depending on the product type. This arrangement prevents the cookies from breaking or crumbling during transport. Sealing the package. Each tray or sleeve is sealed in airtight packaging to lock in freshness. The packaging material is designed to be both durable and lightweight, protecting the cookies without adding unnecessary weight for shipping. Product information. Every package includes essential details such as the expiration date, nutritional facts, and storage instructions. This transparency helps consumers make informed choices and ensures the product maintains its quality until it's consumed. Design and branding chips. Packaging features vibrant graphics and recognizable branding, making it instantly appealing to consumers. This visual appeal plays a crucial role in the product's success, especially in competitive snack aisles. The airtight seals used in Chips Ahoy packaging are so effective that they can keep the cookies fresh for up to 6 months under proper storage conditions. Once packaged, Chips Ahoy cookies are ready to be distributed worldwide. This stage involves a complex logistical network to ensure the cookies reach stores and consumers as quickly and efficiently as possible. Temperature-controlled storage. Before shipping, the packaged cookies are stored in climate-controlled warehouses. This ensures they remain fresh and intact, especially during extreme weather conditions. Global Reach Chips Ahoy. Cookies are shipped to grocery stores, convenience stores, and online retailers across the globe. Careful planning ensures they are delivered in pristine condition. International, the parent company of Chips Ahoy, has implemented eco-friendly initiatives to reduce the environmental impact of its logistics. This includes optimizing shipping routes and using recyclable materials for packaging. Chips Ahoy has come a long way since its debut in 1963. What started as a simple chocolate chip cookie has evolved into a global phenomenon with countless variations and flavors catering to diverse tastes. A brand for all generations. While Chips Ahoy remains a nostalgic favorite for older consumers, it has also captured the hearts of younger generations through innovative marketing on platforms like TikTok and YouTube. This blend of tradition and modernity keeps the brand relevant in a rapidly changing market. Flavor innovations. From classic chocolate chip to red velvet and s'mores, Chips Ahoy continues to expand its product line. These innovations ensure there's something for everyone, whether you're a fan of traditional flavors or crave something new. Commitment to quality. Despite its growth, Chips Ahoy remains committed to its roots, Every cookie is made with the same attention to detail that has defined the brand for over 6 decades. As the world embraces healthier and more sustainable eating habits, how do you think iconic snacks like Chips Ahoy will adapt to meet changing consumer demands? While Chips Ahoy, cookies are undeniably delicious, it's essential to enjoy them in moderation. Like most processed snacks, they are high in sugar and calories, which can contribute to weight gain and other health issues if consumed excessively. However, when enjoyed as part of a balanced diet, they can be a delightful treat that brings joy and satisfaction. A single Chips Ahoy cookie contains approximately 55 calories. That's enough to give you a quick energy boost without derailing your diet, if you can stop at just one. From its humble beginnings to its place as a global favorite, Chips Ahoy is more than just a cookie. It's a symbol of joy, nostalgia, and innovation. Behind every bite is a story of meticulous craftsmanship, advanced technology, and a commitment to quality. Whether you're sharing a pack with friends or indulging in a solo snack session, Chips Ahoy continues to deliver moments of happiness, one chocolate chip at a time. Next time you reach for a bag of Chips Ahoy, take a moment to appreciate the journey it took to get there, from the fields of cocoa beans to the ovens of a high-tech factory. This iconic cookie is not just a treat, it's a testament to the magic of food innovation.